my faves. And it says something like this. Follow your heart. Cliche, huh?
Very cliche.
Yeah, just follow your heart.
Like, what does that even mean?
Exactly. I mean, and if you notice with a lot of these, they're very unclear statements.
They're very fluffy.
They're very fluffy. They're very like foo-foo and imaginary and emotional and all this stuff. But follow your heart is horrible advice. There's no reason to follow your heart.
No.
Yeah, because your heart changes. Your heart lies. Your heart is deceitful. Your heart, sometimes it feels like, oh my gosh, my spouse is the best thing ever. Sometimes it feels like, I don't even know how I married this person. But regardless, why would you listen to your heart?
Yeah.
It doesn't, no, you don't listen to the heart. You listen to the Bible.
Yeah.
Like, so I think that's just a foo-foo saying that I hear. I even see it in quotes still.
Yeah. And
you know, with
it
heart postures. It
means nothing.
And it means nothing.
It means nothing.
Again, it sounds, I guess, nice. Like, follow your heart. Whoa, that's nice. Just put that on the end of a book or a love story or a whatever. But, you know, when the guy like runs up to the girl or the girl runs up to the guy at the end and she goes, well, you know, just follow your heart, you know, like those dramatic scenes where they say those fluffy things.
Yeah.
That's where it comes from, but it ain't going to work in marriage.